Today I've got the deagostini zippo lighters. I'm going to be showing you what they are like, just for you all that are aware of them being around but don't know what they're like basically. So this is the first one that you get with the order. So you get one zippo for the first one and a little catalogue basically. That's my invoice just there. The poster and a book. Let's put that to the side. So that's the zippo just there. Pretty nice. Real zippo, as you can see from there. Nice groovings. Nice finish to it. I have taken majority of the flints out as I don't want to be using them. But yeah, once again, great quality from Zippo. Just the finish on that I like. Great finish. Yeah, let's put that aside. Comes in Zippo packaging as normal. This is what else comes in with it as well. Obviously this might be upside down for you guys, but it just gives you a little bit of a history to how the Zippos all started. You can actually get that as part of the gift. You get a load of gifts. I'll go through that in a second with you as well. More. That's that one. You have also got a poster in the first one as well, which is pretty long. There you go. Nice little poster there. With obviously Zippo collection. Obviously this is the don't know what to call it, little booklet that you get with the first Zippo. Basically it's just a load of information on what Zippos are around, of the year this was made, etc. Obviously it wasn't made in that year, but it's to celebrate that year. So the hidden Z, which I still haven't been able to find on it yet, so not too sure where that is on there, but yeah. So yeah, 1974 all the way through. We've got Beatles there, and that's a big collection there. But yeah, that's the first one for you. I will keep this out so you guys can still see it. This should be, yeah. These are the next two. So you've got two more booklets as well. We'll go through them in just a second. I will explain all of this as well to you. So the second one that you receive is this one. It's just an imprinted picture basically on it, but it's still nice. Still a quality Zippo from, obviously, as you can see, Zippo. Still got that click, and it's still got all the Zippo. It is a nice finish on it, but like I said, once again, won't be using these just as a collection. These are. Move on to this one. This one's got the Z on it. I don't know if you guys can see it there. Just got the Z, and that's all explained in the first catalogue. Once again, nice finish. This one is actually all the same colour, so it's like a metallic-y shiny gold, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. Here. Okay. And that one's got a nice finish to it as well. It's only on the front O, which is a pretty shame. Be good if it was all the way around, but that's Zippo for you. I'll keep these here in order. So 1, 2, 3, and same again. Got information of all sorts of different Zippos. That's basically explaining that one Zippo, which there it says Leather Celebration. Then you've got 1951. It's just a load of history around the Zippos, D-Day landings. Yeah, just basically about the military and stuff like that. This one's about the gold one I just showed you. It says Salute to Belly Kogan, 1938, I think that's it. Yep. Yep, goes about 3 more Zippos. This one is Salute to Bell Kogan, Metropolitan. Yeah, so you've got the space mission ones, you've got space explorations, Mercury, Gemini, Apollo, Shuttle, different ones. So it's quite good. Get on to this one. I have got this next one. It appears that someone has gone through my collection and taken the Zippo out of it, so I will only be doing this one. I will show you obviously the booklet for the other one, but when I find it I will show you it on the video so you can see what it looks like. So obviously you've got this one, which is Moon Landings, July 20, 1969. Got a nice finish to it. Don't know how well you can see the picture on it, but it has got a shine to it, if you can see that properly. Don't know how well you can see that. Once again, quality Zippo from Zippo. Yep, once again, with the Zippo trademark on the bottom. They all are genuine Zippos as well. That there. I'll put the empty one down the side. So yeah, once again, here's the booklet. And yeah. But it's all genuine, it's all good. And personally, I'd say it's worth it. So this is the one that I'm missing. It's basically about the Battle of Britain, which is my actual favourite lighter as well, out of the whole collection so far. And it happens to be the one that's missing. So that's basically what it looks like, just there. That's the exact picture of what it looks like. Once again, just more information. More information. More information, collectible of the year, D-Day lighter, different, I did read on what these were again, but I can't remember what they were. It was like there was 4 girls or something about Zippos, etc, etc. You can find more information on it, obviously probably on the internet, as all you guys already on YouTube. So yeah, that's that one. Next two are these ones. You got this one first, which is this one. Once again, nice finish to it. It's actually got Zippo on it. Don't know how well, once again, how you can see it, the lighting's not very great. Try and move it better so you can see it. It's got a nice finish to it. Once again, nice Zippo. Yeah, that's all good. This one obviously still got the flint in, only not long received these ones, but yeah, so all good. Another good quality Zippo. Show you the catalogue for this one first. So yeah, more information. So that's basically what it looks like, if you can see it better from the picture. More information, keep going, more Zippos. There's loads of Zippos that they've made. Whatever you could think of, they've made it blatantly. So yeah, that's that one. Then you've got this one, Union Jack, which is here. You've got all the different nations. So that's a cool one. The pit bull. Don't know how well you can see that just there. Basically just going on how Union Jack was used through a couple of Zippos, and how the inspiration of Britain's basically been on Zippo, even though it's an American made lighter. Well, USA, United States of America. So yeah, all straight through. King of Rock and Roll, yeah, I think there's a Zippo made of him, for him as well. Different signs. And yeah. And then these, so that's the one I've got in this issue. And then that's my next one coming, which I will do a review on. Well, a video. Basically, the reason why I'm doing these is just to show you guys and girls, if you want to start the collection, you can do. It is real, it is genuine. All Zippos are authentic, they're real, and good damn worth the money. There's another Z. Don't know if you can see it very well. And that's all about the hidden Z. I will go back to that and tell you guys what it all is about. Once again, good quality Zippo. I think this is number 15, I'm not too sure made. There is number 15 stamped on it. It could possibly be number 15 made out of all of these. Got a nice matte sort of gloss finish to it. I just like it. But it is a shame that the one that I was most excited to show you is not here. I'll go through this with you. So when you obviously set up the subscription, it's all online obviously. You get a free leather pouch with your first order, and then you get a Zippo hand warmer with your third, a display case, binder with your 5th delivery, and then a display case with your 7th delivery. And if you go premium, which is what I have done, you also get these ones as well, which is a Sydney, Big Ben London, Berlin and Paris the Eiffel Tower. And you also get a guarantee certificate with it. Oh yeah, it says here the hidden Z, all the lighters in this collection share a hidden letter Z from the Zippo logo used between 1955 to 1979. So it's basically just to celebrate that iconic Zippo logo basically on the lighters. And you also get them in a little display case as well. So it's all genuine and worth it. I wouldn't say no. Well, as you can see, I've already got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, technically 7 of them, but one's missing at the moment, which is my favourite one, which I'm not very happy about. But yeah, actually I can show you the Zippo hand warmer. I have misplaced the lighter pouch as well. So this is the Zippo hand warmer. Got it in its little pouch at the moment. So that's the Zippo hand warmer. You get it as a free gift. Throughout, I have used it, that's why it's a bit black, and it says 15 on it as well, so I don't know what that means. If anyone knows what that means, please comment and let me know. Be great to know. Once again, another good quality product from Zippo. Very pleased with this as well. It does work. Used it numerous of times while I've been out on my bike, push bike, cycling around. If my hands get cold, I get it out, obviously riding one-handed, and just go like that, and my hands get warm. So yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe or comment, say you like it, and if you'd like to see more or know more about the Zippos in this collection, just comment and I'll be happy to help. I'll go back to the first booklet. Is this one. It does say in here somewhere, the Hidden Z. Your lighter is inspired by Florentine artistic genius and pays tribute to one of the best-selling Zippo designs since the company was formed in 1932. But each lighter in this series also features a Hidden Z, taken from the Zippo logo used between 1955 and 1979. It is incorporated into every Zippo lighter design. So every Zippo you've got, you will have that secret Z. Don't know where it is on this one. Apparently it's on every single Zippo, but I don't see it on this one, unless it's on this bit. Nope, so they've missed out on these ones, I think. It's definitely got it on that one. Not that one, but it's got it on that one, that one. That one, it's just there. And this one, it's on the moon. So it's just them two that I haven't yet found it on. But I will keep finding it, and obviously in the next videos I will let you know if I do find it. So if you like what you see, please subscribe and let me know if you'd like more videos like this. Thank you.